Good day and welcome as we showcase one of the emerging nature destinations in the highlands of Zamboanga del Norte, the Falls View Camp located in Sergio, Osmeña. Through this feature, we aim to highlight the natural beauty and the serene environment that makes Falls View Camp a #1 spot for relaxation, ecotourism, and meaningful outdoor activities. We'll provide a closer look at the camp's landscape, amenities, and unique atmosphere that continues to attract visitors that's seeking for a refreshing getaway. Now, let's take you around Falls View Camp and explore what makes this mountainside escape a growing favorite for travelers.
Falls View Camp, located in Barangay Tinindugan in the highlands of Sergio, Osmeña, Zamboanga del Norte, offers a stunning view of a nearby mountain waterfall. Its elevated setting provides a cool, refreshing climate, perfect for a tropical escape. Accommodations and services. Guests can stay in cabins, cottages, or pitch their own tents. Overnight stays let you enjoy starry nights and peaceful mornings. The camp also offers dining options, with food available for order and common areas for relaxation. Highlights and why it is special. The camp offers an ecotourism escape where visitors can unwind from city life. Aside from the falls, it features panoramic mountain views and is part of Sergio Osmeña's growing highland nature tourism circuit.
We warmly invite you to plan your next getaway at Falls View Camp. Whether you are a nature enthusiast, a risk seeker, or a family looking for a meaningful retreat, this destination promises a rejuvenating experience.
Thank you for joining us in this journey through nature's quiet grandeur. We look forward to welcoming you at Falls View Camp, where mountain whispers and waterfall melodies await.